Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust a Timex watch band. This is going to be the sliding or the mesh style band bracelet, and you can find different variations online. So you can either have an arrow here or not. You can also find them on Casio watches, on vintage ladies timepieces. And what you want to do is to find a small tool around the house, maybe a small flat screwdriver, a metallic tool that you can actually insert here, and you can actually pop this open. On some models you will find an arrow here, and what you want to do is to insert your tool. I'm going to use the pin remover, so from a basic watchmaker toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the tools that I use. And what you want to do is to create a lever and to open it up. Then you will be able to slide it up and down. That way you'll be able to tighten or to loosen your bracelet, and when you are finished, all you want to do is to close it back up. Make sure to push it all the way, because you do not want to have it loose, because it is going to move around. You can even drop your watch, so make sure to go all the way. I'm going to also show you the other variants that you can find out there. So for example, here I have a Casio retro digital watch. As I mentioned, this one has an arrow right here, and the same principle is going to apply. I'm going to pop it open, slide it, move it around, and then I'm going to close it. In case you cannot close it from the first try and with ease, you can try to find a tool that has let's say rubber or wooden handle, and you can actually apply more pressure using that tool, or you can just move it a little bit to the left or to the right, so just let's say a millimeter, because sometimes it can have a certain pattern on the bracelet that will actually be an obstacle for the clasp to close. So if you just move it a little bit up and down, it is going to work. On this last one, I'm going to use a different tool so that I can show you that you can even use a tip from your knife, and I popped it open. I'm going to close it back. As you can see, it doesn't work right here, just as I was telling you, because it messes with the pattern. And now if I move it just a little bit to the left, it actually worked. And I'm going to use the handle in order to push it all the way. I'm going to test and make sure that it is fixed, and voila, that is how you can do this either on your Timex watch, on a Casio watch, on a different watch brand, small, big, it doesn't matter. The principle is going to be the same. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. You can also find the basic watchmaker tools that I actually use throughout my videos. And if you are into vintage watches, guys, if you want to purchase your first vintage watch, or to, let's say, add something to your collection, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.